guys, Mr. Webb here, Mr. Bainbridge, and Miss S. We're going to be talking about bowling. I miss having the bowling units come to the school, but this will be the next best thing. So remember, put your hand up, leg back, low, roll, hello to follow through. Again, leg back, low, roll, and follow through is the correct form. Miss S is going to teach you about equipment that you can use.
Now, I know not everybody has bowling stuff at home. That would just be too good to be true, really. But you can use any type of ball. We've got some cones set up here, some water bottles. You can take soda bottles, soda cans, boxes to even knock things down with. Yeah. What else do you think, Mr. B?
Well, you know, I like to bowl with my kitty cats because they chase the balls all over the place. It's all about having fun, boys and girls. The bowling alleys are probably closed until the COVID goes away, but you can have fun at home with just about anything. And since many of these aren't bowling balls, so you can't put your fingers in the holes, you can just hold it however it works for you. I like to do the granny toss and just bend over and roll it away. How about you?
I like to do some trick shots between my legs.
Ooh. All right. Here we go. We're all going to bowl.
I'll get the cones.
You get the water.
I'll get the water, the bottles.
And I'll get the tennis sticks. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay! And then you do a little happy dance because you got knocked over and have fun, boys and girls. It's all about having fun.
I hope you have a striking good time.